Welcome back, you guys. I'm Tassie, and today I'm having a seafood boil. I haven't had a seafood boil in a really long time, so today is actually kind of special because I actually ordered the sauce. So here in the Twin Cities, you guys can actually get this ordered, and she does delivery, and she does like you kind of meet up at a certain spot though, and then you guys can grab it from her there because she tends to sell it, but she takes orders in advance and then she makes it in bulk. This whole container here, it's $10, and this is what I will be trying out today. I have not had it. You guys have no idea how hard it's been. Like, I can smell it and it smells really good, but every time I get some on my fingers, I just want to like lick it, but I can't because I want like my whole reaction on camera. So I have not tried it at all. The seafood I made myself, of course. I ended up boiling the shrimp and the beef ribs, not together, and the potatoes, and then the lobsters as well. So these were just quickly boiled, and then I poured the sauce over it, and I cooked it in the sauce for a little bit, and then now it's on my tray. I also have fresh lemons. Oh, and the beef ribs, you guys. So I love to watch Kimchi Eats, and she's been doing like beef ribs with like Bee Love sauce. And this is not Bee Love sauce, you guys, but so she's been eating beef ribs. So then for today, I really wanted to eat beef ribs with this. All right, so the sauce, you guys can find the information in my description. You guys can get it yourself. It has to be from the Twin Cities, though. I do not believe that she ships. So let's go ahead and try this. And I actually have this shrimp here. I am super excited. That's good. I'm going to withhold judgment right now, but it's getting spicy on my mouth because these ones here have a lot of that thick seasoning that's like in the bottom of the container. So I want to try this one. The flavor is good. I think that this is more of have you guys ever, what? A long time ago I did a review on Cajun boiling out in Brooklyn Park. It's reminiscent of it. So I actually tend to make mine on the sweeter side where I put a lot of brown sugar in it. But this one here, it's got that, I don't know how else to say it, but it's kind of like an earthy kind of a taste where it's not like mole, like if you go to like a lot of Hispanic restaurants and everything like that, there's like this brown, looks almost like chocolate kind of a sauce. It's almost reminiscent of that, but it has a nice spicy kick. It's not overpowering though, because sometimes I order like super spicy and it does kind of overpower the taste. But this one here, it tastes really good. I recommend it with beef ribs. This is not super salty though. Like some people might think it's super salty, but it's not. The lemon juice in here really helps. So I think that the lemon juice in here, it gives it this extra oomph. So I would definitely recommend eating with some lemon. I kind of want to take a spoon and like just grab it. Mm-hmm. I did not salt the beef ribs because with the seasoning here, I know there's a lot of salt in there. I actually bought 2 containers. I love that you have it like at home so you can make whatever seafood you want. Mm. Yeah, I think I would like a little bit more lemon juice in here. So I'm just going to squeeze a little bit over the ribs and everything. I think lemon juice really helps the sauce. You all know I love potatoes. It's like I can't get it. I'm gonna get a spoon, man. All right, I got my spoon. See, because there's like this thick sauce here that I want. Next time, when I make more of this, I'm going to add brown sugar into the sauce. Just to give it a little bit, because the sugar tends to thicken it a bit. So it's a little watery down for me. But I like the flavor and the spice. Let's eat a lobster. Look at this, you're so beautiful. This sauce here, it's only half of the container. I have a lot of sauce left. Mm-hmm. I'm trying not to be careful, not to like rip it, and then it will fly in the sauce. Meat and potatoes, you know? Mmm. Oh, that was hard. I need to let my arms rest for a minute now. We'll just toss you in the sauce. Good. Mm-hmm. I feel like it's staining my mouth, which makes me worry for my hands. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I've been so afraid to touch my cup. I haven't had any water. So I feel like it's stained my mouth a little bit. So I'm eager to go wash my hands, but overall the sauce here, it's really good base. Personally, for myself, I would add some more brown sugar into that, and I would put some chicken bouillon in there just to oomph it up a bit, but it's really good. Maybe a little bit more lemon juice, but this is a really good base. I do love all of this seasoning, this thick seasoning here. I think that this part is probably my favorite part. The color is deep and rich, which I really like. I see a lot of pepper in here. So just be careful for anybody who cannot eat spicy. There is a lot of pepper flakes that I can see in here. So this is not like super salty. I would just add a few more things to sweeten it up a bit, lighten it up a bit. But I like it. It's a really good base for you guys to start off with. For $10, especially that I didn't have to make it myself and get all the butter and all the ingredients, this is a very good deal. All right, you guys, I'm going to go wash off like crazy. Until next time.